Emma Bailey and I'm a manager in the Tax Assurance and Risk Management team. I specialise in the delivery of tax e-learning training modules to our clients. We have seen e-learning training become more popular as there is less demand for face-to-face training owing to more people working from home. By having e-learning training modules, you can roll out training at a time or multiple times that suits you. You can track completion of the training modules, and you can circulate training to new joiners when they join your business. At BDO, we have e-learning training modules on a variety of tax topics such as an introduction to VAT, employment taxes, customs duty, and on the CCO legislation, which applies to all businesses no matter what the size. We also have training modules on non-tax specific legislation, such as data protection, anti-bribery, and anti-money laundering. We make the training as interactive as possible, including games and assessments, and we can tailor the branding of the training modules, which some of our clients prefer, such as by adding different images, specific business examples, and linking existing business policies and processes to the training. You can track who has completed the training through your learning management system. If you don't have a learning management system, we have our very own Acumen learning management system, which can host your training modules, and we can help you to track who has completed the training. I will now show you an example of how this looks in practice.
Today I'm going to show you a brief demo of our Corporate Criminal Offences e-learning module. So let's jump in. On this first page, you'll notice the Resources tab at the bottom. This is available throughout the course, and it's a great place to put any internal policies or documentation you'd like users to read. If we jump ahead to the menu, here you can see the 4 sections of the course. The user must work through each of these sections one by one, so they can't just click ahead and skip all the information. Section 1 is all about the detail of the legislation. We present the user with some examples to give them some context, as well as going over the key terms and factors in more detail. Section 2 presents the user with scenarios that might apply to their role. Here we have a game. The user is presented with a workspace. Behind each object in the workspace, there is a scenario the user must read through and make a decision based on the correct course of action. They must work through all the scenarios in order to move on. If we jump ahead to section 3, here we go through the defence procedures and the due diligence a business must put in place to prevent the facilitation of tax evasion. The final section is the test of knowledge. Here it's set to 70%, but that can be changed to whatever you'd like. If the user does pass, they get a certificate and they can end the course. This has just been a very brief demo of just one of our courses. If you wish to, you can customize these courses with business fonts, colors, and images, and it can also be run with or without a learning management system. If you'd like to find out about other packages, visit the online training area of the BDO store, where you can find our full suite of e-learning modules. This includes other economic crime topics such as anti-bribery and corruption and anti-money laundering. We also have other courses range from data protection, VAT and Customs training, DAC6 and Gift Aid. Thanks very much.